Ensuring a seamless checkout is paramount. A stress-free customer experience secures loyalty and increases profits. An efficient workforce demands flexible, ergonomic, high-performance hardware for greater efficiency. Introducing the Magellan 900i from Datalogic, the latest presentation scanner building on over 50 years of experience. This solid-state, versatile, ergonomic scanner handles virtually any application. Speed up your checkout with the Magellan 900i for non-stop operations. Its large field of view and updated electronics ensure high-performance scanning, seamlessly reading 1D and 2D barcodes from any source. The red aimer and green spot enhance efficiency, and soft illumination ensures a comfortable experience. Easily read printed barcodes or mobile labels, enhancing cashier efficiency. Solid-state electronics ensure non-stop operations. Elevate user experience with the versatile Magellan 900i. Seamlessly transition between presentation and handheld scanning, accommodating various item sizes. The Magellan 900i perfectly fits every kiosk, both functionally and physically. The ergonomic, flat profile facilitates plug-and-play dynamics that are equally comfortable in self-checkout, access control, price verification, self-check-in, and smart locker applications. Simplify operations with Datalogic's Magellan 900i. Effortless installation via integral stand or flush bracket with a single cable for power and data. Aladdin configuration software streamlines scanner management through an intuitive interface and remote monitoring. Lower total cost of ownership with easy updates and adaptable scanning solutions for diverse retail environments. Our ease of care protects you for 5 years. The 900i is the newest member of the renowned series of Magellan presentation scanners. Magellan 900i, a small design with high scanning performance. Powerful scanning in the palm of your hand.